Alright, so I'm going to say this thing without holding back anything, right? The truth is that a lot of these ndigbo youths, especially those ones on Twitter, I'm beginning to believe that a lot of you are politically sponsored and politically motivated to say a lot of things. A lot of you just lie and hide under the, oh, we are standing for indigbos, the indigbo are marginalized, blah, blah, blah. A lot of you lie. Every day you say you stand up for Igbo. This IBB's book, this IBB's new revelation is supposed to be a kick-off point to actually come out and talk, actually come out and demand. We see your forefathers suffer for how many years? Finally, one truth don't come out. Finally, that's not the whole truth though. Finally, IBB decides, okay, we won't give them that one truth. It was not an Igbo coup. It was a narrative pushed against the Igbos, which led to a lot of buying, which led to a lot of destruction to the Igbo names. And finally, this man can't talk. I would say now, I see the expression, okay, yes, I will see some bunch of Igbo youth for streets. At least do a peaceful protest, do a peaceful walk for your forefathers were buying because of this lie. Just do one small walk, maybe like 500 Igbo youth, just walk and do something. Nothing. None of the Igbo influencers, none of the Igbo celebrities did nothing. But every day when somebody talk about maybe one of our brother where they do bad, now we say, why is he always attacking the Igbos? He hate the Igbos. Nobody hate the Igbos more than the Igbos. I said it. Nobody hates the Igbos more than the Igbos. Before you start fighting other people, you have to first fight within yourself. I never see an Anambra man where stand up. I never see a Enugu man where stand up. I never see a Ebonyi man where stand up. I never see Israel stand up. Just do a walk for your forefathers. Do one. Una to stay for Twitter up and down. No walk-ins. If one Yoruba man talk, Igwa. If another man talk, Igwa. If another man Igwa. But no walk-ins. Your forefathers will be embarrassed. They'll be ashamed. They'll be rolling in their grave. You can say very that by one choose cloud, no problem. Say anything you want to say. But I just have to get this off my chest. Shame on all of you. Shame on all of you. All of you. I said the way a lot of these Igbo big men, the way they shut up for this news. The way a lot of them, I see them not even hear what the man talk. They shut up. Modo Toko. They be our sponsors. They go always act as if, okay, yes, they support indigbos for public. But for back, they go collect finance from the same people where they claim say they fight. And I want you, a lot of you, the youth, I want you people to understand today that all this tribalism and everything, not from down. You see, at the top, it's not like that. Those guys, man, they reflex, they do things together, they chill. I don't even see a campaign that says, arrest IBB, let him pay for his car. Again, you cannot cry more than the bereaved. One that they talk to one Igbo guy, no even Igbo guy, that guy said, nah, Igbo job. One Igbo guy and I just met a few days ago from Bayelsa. They talk, say, very dark man, yeah, this protesting you're talking about, man, let's do it. I say, my brother, I feel stand up now, say, okay, yes, for what the Igbo went through, okay, as a concern Nigeria, when I feel say, okay, yes, true, they marginalize them. I say, I think I pack a bacana, somebody will tell you, they chase clouds, you just went and get full of. That's what they always say. They don't believe anybody if you say something genuinely, unless if the person won't gain, and that is the problem I have. I say, but tomorrow, talk about, say, be Lord, do this one, do this one. Maybe one Igbo man just crossfire, enter inside where very dark man lying there. He doesn't like Igbos. Oh yeah, you were like Igbos. Where are you now? Go now. Come out now. Come and represent your people now. They don't talk true. Where go play your names? Your ancestors' name, your ancestors' name. You go play them. Come outside. They don't play their name. Come outside, come talk. Come outside, come stand. No. Oh yeah, bargain. Say me they living on the Kalu. No. Shame on all of that, especially those ones on Twitter, no level. Not you on talk from today. See, I can never take any of you serious again. Never. I no get level. I no get one level, I no get rubbish.